going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. Please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works.
Much love
to those who purchased the Three Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And that is so important because, guys, we are getting close to that main event. And then also, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And, of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And as we can see, we are pulling back, but this is definitely expected. I told you what was going to happen. Now we see crypto futures see a $300 million loss after spot market drops. And we know once we see Bitcoin and Ethereum pull back, we know the altcoins are definitely going to take a dump. Now we have trading volume for Bitcoin and Ethereum futures surpassed 32 trillion in 2021. And guys, here in America, this is still an asset class that 75% of the people don't even understand. Now, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. Plus, we have the Fed. Do not forget the Fed is manipulating those yields. Do not forget to pay attention to the actual repo. That's the only reason why stocks and cryptos are at where they're at, because these yield rates are being controlled. And then, of course, guys, we have Grayscale, that Grayscale whale. Make sure you're paying attention. If they're buying and selling billions at a time, that means they're going to move the market either up or down. And then plus, do not forget, we have CME futures in Friday, even though New Year's is on the 1st. Global markets are going to be closed, but our markets are not. So we have Bitcoin futures, we have Bitcoin micro futures, Ethereum futures, and in Ethereum micro futures. So the gambling casino is going to be wide open. We're going to have a pullback, but do not forget, guys, going into 2022, that first quarter, we're going to look for that main distraction. They have a lot of them out there. We're going to see which one they pull. So the people are looking one way, and they're running the money in the back door because they have to build this fourth industrial revolution where the robots, algorithms, and drones take over the workplace and replace humanity while humanity goes into the metaverse. And remember, guys, the metaverse is right in front of us. The New World Order is putting everything in front of us. That's not the key distraction. Remember, they have you looking one way while they're doing something else. Yes, the metaverse is years down the road, but there's going to be something much bigger that's going to keep you inside the home. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now, I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But guys, yes, we're going to have a dip, but do not allow the dip to scare you. Remember, those utility tokens are not going anywhere. So we're still going to pump and dump. If you're a trader, this is a trader's dream. If you are a hodler, you're going to have a whole nother different strategy. And those who've been with me from the beginning know what we used to do. And it was easy money. We are still going to pump and dump. Even though we're going to be going down, we're still going to have pumps and dumps. The volatility may not be as big overall throughout the year, but we're still going to have plenty of opportunities to make money. Remember, this is a gambler casino. They're not shutting that down. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. We have concerts in the Metaverse could lead to new wave of adoption. And guys, remember what this new technology is for. It's for the millennials and Generation Z. They're never worried about the older generation because you can never change their mind. The only thing they're worried about is this younger generation because this is the only thing they're going to know. They want them inside the home and inside the metaverse and be entertained. So therefore, they're not going to want to go out. Remember that 5G is not for you. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, remember, I give you the truth, nothing but the truth. Yes, the truth hurts, but what does it do? It sets you free. And then we have the Mexican billionaire, Ricardo Salinas, encourages Twitter followers to invest in Bitcoin. Says fiat is gone. Guys, and they have all these billionaires, presidents of different countries saying fiat is gone. Is this correct? No, it is not. Fiat is just being transformed into stable coins. Remember, the billionaires are only going to give you half truth. The current system that we have right now, yes, is gone. The paper fiat is gone. But we're going to move over to a tokenization fiat, which is stable coins. That's still going to give the central banks power. Bitcoin is definitely not going to be in control. It's going to be in control of the robots, algorithms, and drones, so therefore you can transact with them, and everything is going to be tracked. But these stable coins, these CBDCs, are going to replace the current fiat system that we have right now. But remember, the New World Order has to create a problem, reaction, and solution. The problem is the central banks, this fiat money, they're going to wait for the reaction of the people. The dollar moves down to 25 cents, 40 cents. The inflation is killing the world. And then they come in with that solution. Federal Reserve 2.0 on blockchain. We have the digital yuan backed by that digital SDR that gives a New World Order the all-seeing eye and then also be able to tax the globe. There will be no transaction that they cannot see. Everything will be taxable. And remember, the crypto teacher told you because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks is C-Word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.